No more defrosting. Miele No Frost. Thanks to up-to-the-minute technology from Miele, Miele No Frost is an automatic defrosting function. The key component of this is a compact evaporator with a fan. No Frost appliances work by circulating cooled air. Moisture is expelled outside, keeping the interior dry and preventing ice from forming. To do this, a fan conducts the air from the freezer over the evaporator. The moisture condenses here to form frost. The air, which is now dry, flows back into the appliance. A heater element automatically melts the frost at regular intervals. At this point, the fan switches off to stop the heat from spreading. This keeps the air in the cabinet cool at all times. The condensate drains out of the appliance into a tray where it is evaporated by heat from the condenser above it. Energy consumption is comparable to conventional appliances, as energy-intensive manual defrosting is no longer necessary. Frost-free appliances also have the Vario Room feature. With Vario Room, the freezer space is easily increased to suit your needs by simply removing drawers and shelves. No Frost and Vario Room. Miele, always thinking ahead.